Okay, so hardware devices we call tangible part of the computer. So we divided hardware devices into input devices, output devices, storage devices. Then we are going to discuss main three parts of mainly hardware devices we can categorize into input, output, and storages. Okay. Okay. Hardware devices are tangible parts of the computer. Mainly we can group into three, categorize into three. First one is input devices. Uh, First one is input device. Then second one output device. Third one storage. So input devices, output devices, and storage devices are the three categories of the hardware devices. So then when we start the input devices, you can understand input devices are the devices which we use to input data to the computer. So we can input data to the computer with the help of input devices. So there are pointing devices as well. Pointing devices used to point out the certain pixels on the screen, selecting with the touchpad, okay, or with the mouse. Input devices are used to input data to the computer. Mouse, trackball, joystick, touchpad, touchscreen, light pen can be considered as pointing devices, which are related to point out and select pixels on the screen. You can select pixels on the screen. Keyboard, scanner, MICR, OCR, barcode readers are input devices. Is this clear? Okay. Then quickly copy this one. OCR, optical character recognition, is done by optical character recognition, which allow us to identify written or printed text characters, extract editable text from it. So this is the OCR scanner, handheld scanner. It is scanning the text and convert into text. While scanning, it is converted into text. So it used OCR software to recognize the text. Then there is another one, sheet-fed scanner. So we fill the data in box by box. For each box, one letter. And space, we leave the empty box and then fill the form. So this one will read by the OCR scanner, and then that input the data as a text. So scanner also input device. Scanner we scan and input the data. What else? Camera, we capture the image. Then microphone, we capture the sound. So those are input devices. From the environment, we capture the data input, we call input devices. The next one, optical mark recognition, is a scanner device that reads carefully placed pencil marks on the pencil, specially designed form or document. Most popular use of OMR is marking MCQ answer sheets. Administration must program the OMR. So OMR sheets scan the multiple choice answer question paper. Okay. So Sri Lanka also earlier they tried to use OMR sheet for A-level subjects. But still we are doing the we are correcting the questions using manual method. So the one who is programming done the mistake. So all the papers got error. Okay. So first question, if the answer is 5, if the person who is programming done the mistake, that we know the set of paper bundle will mark in incorrect order. So the person who is programming has to come do the task properly. If there is a mistake in that side, then the machine will read, machine will give the error. Okay. So therefore, still in Sri Lanka, we are doing it manually in paper marking, the MCQ papers. Okay. But if we use OMR sheet or CR sheet to scan, sorry, if we use OMR sheet to detect the MCQ papers, to scan the MCQ papers, it automatically scan and give the results within 1 day. Entire paper bundles will mark and give within 1 day. It's very fast. Okay. Then the error is depend on the person who is uh, filling the form as well as the on the other side the program. If the programmer done the mistake, then there will be error as well as the person who is filling. If they ask you to shade the area, instead of that the person cross it, shade කරන්න ඕනේ cross කරොත් error එකක් වෙනවානේ. So that will be error. That means person who is filling the form must take the responsibility about the input data. The person who is filling this form in OCR even has to take the responsibility. Or if you mix up, then that will be error. Then MICR, magnetic in character recognition, is done by magnetic in character, which supports input data written in special magnetic under the bank check. Bank check එකේ යටම තියෙනවා magnetic ink එකෙන් ලියපු character. So there is a set of numbers written by the magnetic ink. So those special characters are read by the MICR machine. So those machines are very expensive. Therefore, we use this MICR for the security purpose. ඒ කියන්නේ හොරුන්ට මේ වගේ pattern එකක් identify කරන්න යාළුවට තේජාති MICR machine එකක් ඕනේ. මේකේ තියෙන යටම තියෙන number set එක read කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ මේ read කරන්නයි ලියන්නයි පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ MICR machine එකට විතරයි. ඒ නිසා අපි MICR එකක් security purpose පාවිච්චි කරනවා bank වල. Is this clear? Okay, shall we write these 3 types then? OCR, OMR, OMR mean MCQ, MICR mean bank checks. Okay, copy this one.